Capacity building workshop versus religious conferences. It's our focus today on common sense with Freddie. My name is Coach Wilfred Asuko. I am a capacity builder. I am also an IT consultant as well as the founder of a virtual coaching platform, Zit Worldwide. If you're just joining us for the very first time on this channel, please click on the red subscribe button below this video and join our community. You see, both capacity building workshops and religious conferences serves important roles in personal and community development, but they do so in fundamentally different ways. While capacity building workshops will focus on enhancing practical skills and knowledge, religious conferences will aim to strengthen spiritual beliefs and community bonds. Here is a comparison of the two of them. Let's look at it from purpose and focus. The primary goal of a capacity building workshop is to equip participants with practical skills, knowledge, and tools that they can apply in their professional or personal lives. These workshops are often centered around specific topics such as leadership, entrepreneurship, technology, or education. Empowerment and practical outcomes. Basically, the participants will live with tangible outcomes such as improved competencies, actionable strategies, or new methodologies that can be implemented in their work or communities. Now, how about religious conferences? They are spiritual growth settings. So religious conferences are designed to deepen participants' faith, provide spiritual guidance, and foster a sense of belonging within a religious community. The focus is on reinforcing beliefs, encouraging moral behaviors, and building a strong spiritual foundations. It also creates community and worship atmosphere. These conferences often include worship sessions, prayers, sermons, and discussions that are meant to uplift and unify participants around shared religious values. Now, let's look at the content and structure. Capacity building workshops are interactive and practical. These workshops typically include a mix of lectures, hands-on activities, group discussions, and practical exercises. The content is designed to be directly applicable to real-world scenarios, helping participants build specific competencies. They are often facilitated by professionals, educators, or industry experts. Capacity building workshops focus on evidence-based practices and current trends in the relevant fields. Now, if you look at religious conferences, the content of religious conferences is often inspirational with sermons, testimonies, and discussion that encourage self-reflection and spiritual renewal. The structure may include worship services, prayer sessions, and religious education. Faith leaders and clergies facilitate these conferences and are usually led by their spiritual leaders or respected figures within the religious community who provide guidance, interpretation of religious contexts, and moral teachings. And when you look at the target audience for capacity building workshops, professionals and community leaders, these workshops are typically targeted at individuals who are looking to develop specific skills or enhance their professional capabilities. This includes professionals, entrepreneurs, educators, and community leaders. Participants come from various sectors, often bringing diverse perspectives that enrich the learning experience in these conferences. Now, when you look at religious conferences, they are mostly faith-based communities. Religious conferences are always aimed at members of the particular faith community. The audience is typically united by shared beliefs and values. and the conference content is tailored to reinforce those religious principles. Now, when you look at the ages and demographics, these conferences may attract a broad demographic, including families, youth groups, and elderly members, all seeking spiritual growth. Now, when you look at the outcome and the impact, capacity building workshops will enhance competencies. Participants will often leave with improved skills, better problem-solving abilities, and a clearer understanding of how to apply what they have learned in their daily lives or work environments. Now, when you look at the long-term professional growth, the impact of these workshops can lead to career advancement, improved job performance, and the ability to contribute more effectively to organizational and community goals. But if you look at the religious conferences, the primary outcome is often a deeper spiritual connection, renewed faith, and a stronger sense of community among participants. Now, how about the moral and ethical guardians? These conferences can inspire attendees to live more ethical and in alignment with their religious teachings and impacting their personal community lives. Now, let's look at social and cultural roles. Capacity building workshops, the economic and the social development. This workshop plays a crucial role in building human capital, driving economic growth, and fostering innovation within communities. They can empower individuals to take on leadership roles, start businesses, or contribute to societal improvement. Skill-based networking workshops often facilitate networking among professionals, which can lead to collaborations, partnership, and new opportunities in various sectors. On the contrary, religious conferences strengthens cultural identity and spiritual cohesion within communities. They reinforce shared beliefs, cultural practices, and traditions, helping to maintain the social fabrics around us. Now, charitable and social initiative is one of those that the conferences often inspire charitable activities, community services, and social justice initiatives aligned with religious teachings. So, in conclusion, capacity building workshops and religious conferences serve distinct yet complementary purposes. Capacity building workshops are essential for professional and personal development, providing the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in various aspects of life. Religious conferences, on the other hand, are vital for spiritual growth, community building, and reinforcing moral and ethical values. Both are valuable in their own right and can contribute significantly to an individual's overall well-being and social impact. Depending on one's goal, whether they are seeking to advance in their career and deepening their spiritual life, each type of gathering offers unique benefits that can support a well-rounded approach to personal and community development. So, I leave you to make a choice. Which one is more profitable to invest your time in? Remember, one will allow you to pay bills. The other will not help you to pay bills. So, I leave you to make that decision to better allow you grow and stabilize, live a good life, and impact the community. And if you can, run the two and strike a balance, awesome. That's what I wish for every single one of us. Like ever, see you all at the top, because the bottom is crowded.